Praise the Lord. Dangers of soul tie. A soul tie is placing a person, a friend, a leader, or a partner in an ultimate position, replacing devotion what is owned to God. That's why Jesus has said in Luke chapter 14 verse 26 and Matthew chapter 10 verse 37, whoever keeps his family members more than me is not worthy of me. So, if we see a person affected with soul tie, he will not be able to do God's will. That person will be distracted from God's will because the soul tie will hamper a person and his relationship with God. Secondly, that person who is affected with soul tie will not be able to make any decision on their own. Rather, he or she will have to get the approval of the other person, and it will automatically hamper a person identity, emotions, sense of purpose, because their thoughts and all the emotions will be consumed by the other person's thought and other person control. That person will be fully controlled with the thoughts and emotions of the other person with whom his soul is being tied. So this is a very dangerous situation a person can undergo because it totally distract a person from doing God's will. If you see from 1 Kings chapter 19 verse 19 and 21, here Elisha gets the call from Elijah. He completely totally cut off the flesh. We see he will go and finish everything in whatever he has to do in his home, and he totally keep his old life behind and start following Elijah. This signifies an act of commitment to follow Jesus. Like this act is completely a commitment for the calling what he got. So same way God will expect from us also. If we see Luke chapter 9 verse 59 and 60 and Matthew chapter 8 and 21 and 22, Jesus will say, let the dead bury their own dead. Why is it so? Because it shows us urgency to follow Jesus, to accept the spiritual calling, leaving behind all the traditional concerns of the family. So whoever loves their father or mother or son or daughter or wife more than me is not worthy of me, Jesus is saying. So soul tie is very dangerous. Soul tie is prioritizing anyone and anybody more than Jesus, more than what the devotion what we have to give to Jesus. So we need to be very careful. This is very dangerous. It will lead to spiritual bond.